This is the video you have all been waiting for. It's a Pretreater Pro again from Polyprint. So I've come to share, after playing with this toy, some of the things we found out. I particularly like the ease of use. Remember I spoke about the control panel the last time. It's very easy to operate. The operator does not have so much work to do. Removing the nozzle is like child's play. Very easy to operate. Let me quickly show you around the machine. At the back here we have the off-on switch. In here we've got 4 containers. The one at the extreme right is the waste tank. So all we do, the waste comes here. And at the back here you've got a sensor. So if it's full, no problem. The machine will tell us it's full and then we can empty this easily. To empty, easy. Take out that, pour it away, put it back, and there we are. We need to constantly clean the machine, so we need distilled water. This is distilled water. Do not use ordinary tap water. We must use distilled water because we want water without impurities. And on this side you have the container for your pretreater. So we've got 2 because we can have the option of choosing either pretreater or the poly coating, and I will explain this in a bit. And at the front of the machine is your control panel. Operator does all the control here. That is the spray switch where we place our t-shirts on, and in here is our spray nozzle. Sometimes the operator wants to only spray a shirt once, so you put your shirt in and then you choose, and then you want to just spray it once. But after spraying and getting the setting, and then the operator needs to go into the production mode, all he needs to do is click the production mode, and what that means is every time he closes the door, it sprays automatically. So if he has 300 shirts, all he needs to do is put on the shirt, close the door, and then it sprays automatically. This is the time you've been waiting for. You want to print, right? Okay, let's spray. Make sure your shirt is flat. Remember I told you this is plexiglass, so no more rust in here. Once it's flat, I can choose what I want to spray. In this period, I just want to spray the center because what I want to print is just something here around the center. Remember those 4 containers, they're right here. And one is showing me a warning. L2 is showing me a warning. What's the warning? Tank L2 is almost empty. Yeah, we know that because I didn't put anything in that tank. And my tank 1 has my pretreater, and then I want to spray. So to spray, once I close this and press the button, I'm not sure if you can see anything, but see the movement. Here you are with my beautiful mist. So how we know when you pretreat properly is that you see this grayish mist on there. So you can see it all over there. Now I can take this to my heat press it, and then take it to my DTG to print. Remember that we could clog the nozzle if we don't do the right thing. So shutting down is pretty straightforward. I go to the menu and then I press my shutdown button. Can you see that? Proceed with cleaning before shutdown. Please ensure that all nozzles are in place. What this means is that during shutdown, the system I will click yes here, and then what is happening now is that the system is taking some of the distilled water and using that to clean the entire nozzle. So it's running distilled water to clean, doing the cleaning procedure. So at the end of the day, there is no pretreater or pre-coating left in the line or on the nozzles. This takes roughly about a few minutes to shut down. You switch off the on and off button at the back, and then it's time to protect our nozzle. So I'm going to take out all the 4 nozzles and drop them in this ultrasonic. Some distilled water inside here. Close it, switch it on for like a minute, and we leave it there all night and we can all go home. But this ultrasonic is also coming with the machine, so you don't have to spend money to buy it. So done for the day. But before we go home, I need to look at the marketing side of things. So what this kind of equipment will do for you is to help you calculate the right amount of pretreatment on the ships at every point in time. So it means at the end of the day that you will save some cost on consumable. What other thing that you would benefit is the fact that all print becomes consistent. So sometimes I'm spraying well and sometimes I'm not, but all that inconsistency is taken away from this, because once you click the button, the right amount of pretreatment drops on the equipment. So if you want to upgrade from your manual production to get some leverage in consistency, Pretreater Pro is our recommendation. Always remember to like our video, share it, use it, and we can always take your comments down there. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye for now.